What the? And who are you? Who is Say Bubbles? And you have a shovel now. You have none. And the chip is going in there. And so, so, Dobby, by the way, the two waterways. Man, I didn't want to get attacking that bad yourself. No, and it does have all the fans. And they need to go in there now. Will you please open your mouth really wide? Sure, I can go for a ride too. Is that me and Mr. Crab? It's a big word. If you keep still and open your mouth and really wide. It's a faction word, James. So. Why is he messing over there too? And that's the end. Where's no criticize? Not about it, but there's only one of them. Too late now. And why is he SpongeBob in the picture? Whoa, I think it's gonna be me now. The bear in the country. Oh, you're like. Whoa! Wow, wow.
Ready?
Ow, 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 ow. You do it as well. You're back. Second, Mr. Busy. Your best done something. I'm so adventure. Honey, pop. Bell.